guys, hello, good evening. Ayan, mag-snack tayo. Ayan, gyoza. Snack tayo guys. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong Jiko. Snack tayo. Ayan. Kain tayo guys. So, please don't forget to watch, like and share and subscribe my channel, Pretty Woman. Kain tayo guys. Ayan. Thanks for watching guys. Tayo ng flavor. Ayan. Matcha. Ito yung flavor na matcha. Matcha to matcha. Ito ang gyoza guys. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you. God bless us all.
Oh, don't worry, I got you. Don't use a tray. Thanks. Yeah.
Please don't forget to like, please share and subscribe my channel, Pretty Woman.
And yet, your John D. Rockefeller's great granddaughter, and you still lost the sound dress award to Olivia, who changed the last name from Rockefeller to Capitol.
Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel, Pretty Woman. Thanks for watching guys.
She's like, best friends in this
And
garden.
the flavor,
Yeah, she's sleeping over.
Al Capone and
Call Hillary's mom if you
cookies.
want. Yeah.
Chico. Ito ang gyoza. Ito ang gyoza guys. Gyoza. Gyoza yan. Ito ang sauce. Ayan. Kain tayo guys. May Dutch milk pa. Dutch milk.
What about a belt? We just need some embellishments or something. It's so fun.
Kain tayo.
Just would have waited 5 more seconds. You would
Thanks for watching guys.
have